We continue a discussion about the Spark SQL in the logical optimization. We back to the presentation, I think. Okay. Okay. As we mentioned before, because the catalyst in Spark SQL have a very flowing process, not only just optimizing, but the optimization work with the several steps. So we need to understand about the every step that we need to take for bringing the catalyst optimizer work in the good condition, in the good performance. Yeah. Okay. So we continue. So we have discussed about the analysis. So we go to the logical plan. Yeah, in the logical plan. Based on the logical optimization, actually, as Spark SQL take a logical plan and generate one or more physical plan. So it is like they have a plan A, plan B, plan G, to and etc. to optimize the data frame processes. So this will be using physical operator that met the Spark execution engine. So that's why in the previous image, you can see the line that inside to the Spark is used for deal with the Spark environment itself to match the execution engine that exists in the Spark. And then we can select a plan using cost model. So the cost model is not about the money, I think, but time consumption, how about the resource that we need to allocate for running the process. And the physical panel also perform rule-based physical optimization. Yeah. And then after we have a physical planning, we will have a code generation. Yeah, this is final pass. Yeah, generating Java byte code to run each machine. You can see in here to run each machine. So its main will be distributed to a lot of machine that exists. Why? Because the purpose is to speed up the execution and then use special feature Scala language. Yeah, using the quasi codes. Yeah. And then transform a tree representing an expression in SQL to an LSD for Scala code to evaluate the expression, then compile and run the generated code. Of course, this will be code generation will be very important because this is the final pass that will be very impacting to the rest of the process. Yeah, in order to use it, need additional dependencies, of course. Yeah, so that's why in here you can see we need every single call it data source. We need to import the Spark SQL itself, and then we can run. Yeah, this is for example in Scala. Yeah, so you need to go this one, the Spark SQL. But for Python, yeah, we also need to have a PySpark, yeah, to import from using this one. So this will be very compatible. This is example. If we have like employee table, yeah, using the JSON in HDFS, it will consist of each one. Of course, this is only 5 row, but maybe in the real we will have 5 million. I'm sorry, maybe 5 million row that we need to to process. So if we have this file, you need to load with the Spark SQL, yeah, using we call the employee, and then we go to the SQL context to read the JSONs, and then we go to the file, and then we can execute the operation like for show, or maybe using the print scheme. Yeah. So of course, if we want to do the specific selection on the column, we just need to select the columns and select and then state the columns and then just show something like that. And if you need to filter, you do the logical thinking using the filtering. You also can do the group by for specific columns, yeah. And also you can do the query using SQL-like operation. In here is just group by age, and then we do the count, and then we do the operation so, yeah. In here, the employee need to be registered 10 tables as employee, and then we go to the SQL context, and then we select the name and etc. I think it seems, yeah, using the SQL-like expression. Yeah, so that's why. So if we have like file in the HDFS like this one, yeah, and then we read and transform into the into the row, yeah, we just need to from PySpark SQL, you need to import file, and then you need to go to the line and then go to the part, and then yeah, this is like you operate like split expression and so on, and then to the drivers, and then skim the driver. In here you can see create data frame, and then you register the timetable and then the SQL context. Yeah, so that will be the implementation. Actually, the implementation is more shorter than the explanation actually. Yeah, so that's how you can see how the Spark work for the implementation. Yeah, okay, that's uh, the the Spark. Yeah, okay, wait.